Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today in this video I'm gonna walk you through this new Proform 505 treadmill I purchased from Amazon, and I'm using it for exercising at my home. So this cost me around $730 including taxes and shipping, because it was more than the minimum amount required at Amazon, so I did not pay anything extra for shipping, but still I had to hire some manual labor to move it to the area where I want. So I'm gonna give you the walkthrough of the product. So this is the main running area. You can see this is the standard one, and when it runs, I mean this when it's on, this is really moving smoothly. It's brand new at the moment. Now coming to the control panel here. So you have an extra accessory here. This is to hold your tablet, phone, or anything else that you want to use here while running. And if you have other materials, you can put over here. You have two pockets here where you can put like your wallet or any other thing that you want to have. Now this is the main control panel. So you see this iFit button here. So this button you need for the very first time when you try to activate the product. So for that you need to download this iFit app, register, and then using the code you can activate the product. So basically just by buying and fitting it, that's not enough. This is equipped with Bluetooth, so Bluetooth needs to be turned on. Automatically the app is going to do it from the back end, but you have to download the app, register, so that you can activate the product. Now coming to the other controls, so you can see that for inclination I have up to 10 levels here, okay, and then for speed I have this, and this is in miles, but here in this main I have this unit option. I can change from unit to mile, meter, I mean metric and standard, whatever you want. That option is available over here. While running, if you want to increase the speed, you can press on this button, decreasing this. If you want to stop it, you can stop this, and this is for emergency key. Like some people recommend that you attach it on your cloth while running, so if anything happens, this comes out and the machine stops automatically. This is up to you how you really want to use it. You can similarly increase, decrease the inclination from here, and you have other controls for, like if you want to go for home, increase, decrease, display mode you can change from here. And you have if you connect with iFit, you will have a lot of apps that you can use along with some presetting that you have over here, and this is to adjust the volume. Now it has got one more accessories, this one here, if you really want to use it. I don't use it, but probably that is to hang some materials if you carry along with you while doing workout. And you can see the speaker here, but I'm not using these advanced controls at this moment, because when I use it along with my smartphone, so I watch movies and all. Now let me tell you one thing guys, like this is not possible for a single person to move it when it comes in wrapped packet. Like it was in a big packet, and I had to hire two workers to move it from my door to my basement where I can actually use it. Then I unwrapped it, unpacked it, and it was packed in a very secured way with lot of wooden planks strapped around. But I thought of assembling it myself by reading instructions, but then I realized I did not have the experience to do it, so I decided to hire one professional guy who came to my home and did the fitting for me, although I had to pay extra. So but it's okay, that's one time cost. So along with this I have purchased 3 years of warranty, so that I need to use whenever there is a situation. And this does require electric connectivity, so I have used multiple extension cords. Don't go after it, I know it doesn't look good but I just keep it on when I am using it, otherwise I'm not letting it turn on. So that's it for now guys. This is a very good machine if you want to use it. I have been using it for some time and this really works well. And if you connect it with iFit app, if you buy their membership, you get 1 month free membership, but if you don't cancel, then they're gonna bill you after that. So it's up to you if you want to use. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Thank you guys.